Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be comparing two drones designed specifically for kids, the Q9s Drones for kids and the DyineeFy Mini Drone. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in terms of features, performance, and value for money. Let's start with the design and illumination of these drones. Both the Q9s and the DyineeFy Mini Drone come with vibrant LED lights that add a stunning visual effect to their flights. The Q9s drone features neon green and blue lights that illuminate its entire frame, creating a powerful and vivid flight experience. On the other hand, the DyineeFy Mini Drone offers a captivating mix of green, blue, and various other neon hues. Whether it's day or night, indoors or outdoors, both drones will surely impress. When it comes to user-friendly features, both drones have a lot to offer. The Q9s drone allows for simple takeoff, landing, and return with just a single button. It also has 3 different speeds to cater to beginners and skilled players alike. The Headless mode eliminates any worries about identifying directions, making it extremely beginner-friendly. Additionally, the altitude hold feature enables the drone to hover automatically in the air, even without any input from the controller. The DyineeFy Mini Drone also boasts similar user-friendly features, such as one-key takeoff and landing. It even has a one-key return function that brings the drone back to the remote control's position with a simple press of a button. The altitude hold feature ensures effortless mid-air hovering, while the speed adjustment feature allows for different levels of play. Both drones provide a simplified and carefree flying experience for kids and beginners. Now, let's talk about battery life and flight time. The Q9s drone comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, giving you double the flight time for more fun and enjoyment. Each battery provides a decent flight time, allowing kids to have extended periods of flight entertainment. On the other hand, the DyineeFy Mini Drone offers a continuous flight time of up to 8 to 15 minutes with a single charge. It also comes with rechargeable batteries and 3 remote control batteries. The low battery alarm ensures that you're always aware of the battery's operating status, preventing any unexpected interruptions. Durability and safety are crucial factors to consider when buying a drone for kids. The Q9s drone is built with high-quality ABS material, making it withstand countless crashes or drops. Its structured style and 4 sturdy propeller guards provide a secure flight, protecting kids from any potential injuries caused by spinning propellers. It's a reliable and durable drone that can handle the rough play of kids and beginners. Similarly, the DyineeFy Mini Drone is constructed with high-quality ABS materials, ensuring durability and enhanced protection for its propellers and motors. Its unique structural design, along with 4 sturdy propeller guards, prevents harm to hands and bodies from the rotating blades. Safety is a top priority with this drone, making it an ideal choice for children and beginners. Both the Q9s Drones for kids and the DyineeFy Mini Drone offer impressive features and performance. And that's a wrap. Both the Q9s Drones for kids and the DyineeFy Mini Drone offer impressive features and performance. The Q9 stands out with its eye-catching neon lights, while the DyineeFy Mini Drone excels in its one-key return function and longer flight time. Ultimately, the choice between these two drones depends on your specific preferences and requirements. We hope this comparison has helped you make a smarter buying decision. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you next time.